Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build a professional-looking blog using Notion from start to finish and without the need for any third-party apps. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautifully organized blog, ready to showcase your ideas, writing, or whatever you'd like to share with the world. Even if you're just starting out on Notion, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. Let's dive right in. To make our process smooth and efficient, we're going to use Notion's built-in blog template. Templates in Notion are a fantastic resource because they come with thoughtfully designed layouts and built-in features that make your workspace feel polished and, well, professional. Think of this like starting with the frame of a house that already has the basics. You get to choose the paint, the furniture, and all your unique touches afterwards. Here's how we get started. Once you're inside your Notion workspace, look at the top left of your screen. You'll see a little drop-down menu there, almost like a hidden doorway to more options. Give that a click. Now, from the menu that appears, find and select Browse Template. This is your gateway to Notion's template library, and there are a ton of options to explore, but since we want to create a blog, we'll focus our search. In the template library, you'll see a search bar. Type in blog and Notion will automatically show you several ready-made blog templates you can use. Take your time scrolling through the results. Each template has its own style, so think about the vibe you want your blog to have. Do you want something clean and minimal, or maybe colorful and creative? Picking the right template is a little like choosing the cover of your book. It sets the first impression. Once you've found a template that feels right for you, just click on it. At this point, Notion will preview the template for you, so you can look inside and see its layout, sample posts, and features. If you're happy with your choice, go ahead and hit the Add button. Don't worry if you're not sure yet. You can always browse again or switch to another template later. That's the beauty of Notion. It's flexible. Now, your selected blog template will be added directly to your workspace. This is where you start making it truly your own. You'll see sections for adding blog posts, categories, and other creative elements. At this stage, you can enter your credentials, things like your blog's title, author name, and even a short introduction. Take a minute to really make these details your own, as these will be what your readers see first. If you want to go further and personalize your blog, Notion makes it easy. You can swap out the cover image, change the font style, or add custom icons. Maybe you want to create new categories based on your interests, or tweak the layout to showcase photography alongside writing. Play around with these options and don't be afraid to experiment. This process is all about making your space uniquely yours. And that's really it. In a few simple steps, you've taken Notion's powerful template system and transformed it into your own blog platform. No outside tools required. Remember, the more you explore and tinker, the more you'll discover about making Notion work for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know what kind of blog you're building in the comments below. If you have any questions or want to see more Notion tips, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.